Okay, so in this video we will solve the some SQL question, and this is the SQL question number 176, which is the second highest salary, and this is like medium category, and it's very important question from the interview point of view. So if you want to see the schema, so click on the SQL schema, so you can see how they have created the table, how you need to insert the values. If you just want to give a retry on your local machine. Right, so you have like one employee table, we have the ID and salary, and you need to find the second highest salary. And if there is no second highest salary, you need to return the null. And you can solve in any of the MySQL, MySQL Server, PostgreSQL, Oracle, Pandas, but we will solve using PostgreSQL. Right. So as an example, so we have one table, 1, 2, 3, 100, 200, 300 salary. So what is the highest? Highest is 300. What is the second highest? Second highest is 200. So we need to return the second highest. One is the employee table, and we have just only one column, one row. The highest salary is 100. What is the second highest? We don't have the second highest. If you don't have the second highest, we need to return the null, because here they have mentioned if there is no second highest salary, you need to return the null. All right. So let's try on the local machine first. So I open the PG admin. So I created a one table using the same schema. All right. So we just create a table, insert some value. I just inserted like couple of more values. And so ID number one is salary 100, ID number two salary 200, ID number three is 300, right? So generally, if you have to find the highest salary, how you find? So select star from employee, order by salary, and descending. And so now the salary is in the descending order, and you can just put limit one, and it is going to print you the highest salary, right? Which is fine. But how you find the second highest, like, or third highest or fourth highest? But in this question, second highest. Let's focus on that second highest. So second highest means anyhow I need to remove the first row. So there is a multiple methods. So one method is like we need to limit something, right? So from this query we are getting this output, like, but and if I use limit one, because I just need to return the one value, and if I do limit one, it is going to return me the first value. If I do limit two, it is going to return me the two values, but I need only one. So we have one function, one like limit clause kind of thing, offset. So if you do offset one, what it will do, it will remove the first value and start from, and return the remaining values. So currently we have 300, 200, 200, 100, 190, and we have six values. I give offset one. Offset means remove the first value and just return the another values. So you could see now we have only five values. It remove that. Now we know on the top it's already the second highest. So just do limit one. So we are getting the second highest salary, right? But I don't like this is one method which you can do. All right. And then like whatever the value you want to return, you can return. But currently we are publishing ID and salary, but if you want to just like return salary, you can return salary. But what we will do, we will use a Windows function, and we are like create a one more column and assign some ranking. The highest salary rank one, second highest salary rank two, then rank three, then rank four. All right. So what we want? We want ID, we want salary, and so to assign a rank, we want the third column rank. All right. So for the ranking, there could be multiple like function, one the rank, one the dance rank, but which one have to use? So let's see. Though we need to use the dance rank, but we will see why we need to use the dance rank. So what rank and rank function take the over clause, because you need to tell, okay, you need to give the ranking on which column and based on which order. Right, over order by salary and descending order. All right, and as ranking. So we are giving the some column name. So it is going to this salary column. it is going to arrange in descending order and then give the ranking. So if you execute it, select ID, salary rank over order by salary descending as a ranking. What's the issue? What's the issue? Yeah. So here 300 highest salary rank 1, 200 second highest salary rank 2, 200 it is a tie still rank 2, 100 should be rank 3, but we are getting rank 4. So rank function basically is skipping some numbers, right? So let's try the dense rank. So the spelling is wrong. So dense rank. So highest is 300 rank 1, then we have the tie rank 2, then 100 is rank 3. So rank 3. So dense rank is not skipping the number, right? So we should use this one, right? Okay, now you have this value. So now it's very easy. What you need to do, you need to just say, okay, where ranking is equal to 2, give me that value, right? So this is one table. Let's create a common table expression or a temporary table with CTE. So using with class, you can create a common table expression. CT is just any name you can give, or like employee ranking or something like that. As okay. So if I okay now, so we created from that table what we need. Let's import everything. So because this query earlier written this table we called as city and we return everything from the city, but what we need, select star from city where ranking equal to 2 because we need the second highest. Okay, ranking 2, but it is returning two values, right? We need the distinct, right? We need the distinct, so let's put distinct, uh, distinct salary, and we need only salary column, right? So let's do distinct salary, run that. So now we get the second highest. If you want the third highest, just give 3 here. If you want the fourth highest, just give 4 here. All right, so that's why like ranking looks very easy. So now let's give the second highest to, right? And now, but our column should be second highest salary. So we will give some alias, select distinct salary as this second high salary, run that. Now let's try this. This is half problem because it did not cover this condition, but let's try this. So you could see our case one has been successful where where we have three salary 100, 200, 300. The second is 200. We are returning correct. But this case where we don't have the second highest, we are returning nothing. But they said if there is no second highest salary, we need to return the null. So how you are going to handle? So currently, when this statement is getting executed, it doesn't return anything. All right. So if it doesn't return anything, what you can do select, and then that's it. Run that, and let's try that. Because if you type select one, it is going to give you one. So here it is going to give you nothing, and but you need to print something, right? Then it is going to print select null. This is one approach. So let's try to submit it. All right, and it's perfectly working fine, right? And all the test case has been submitted. But let's say here in the question it is mentioned you need to return the null, but they mention okay, if there is no salary you need to return maybe 99999 or something like that. Then how you are going to handle this? So we have one function coalesce, right? What it will do, this will take a couple of arguments like first argument, second value, third value, fourth value, and it is going to return the first not null value. All right, so let's try that. So earlier we have this condition. All right, so we have this condition, Now, when this condition return nothing, when this condition return nothing, so what we will do, select, we will do the coalesce function, and this is coalesce function takes some expressions, first value, second value, third value. So we will pass in the first value is this one, right? Second value is null, all right, and let's run that. It's more or less same only, but we use the coalesce. Why we use the coalesce? Because just in case, one second, what happened? Okay, so as second highest salary, because we are returning like that. Okay, so let's try to submit it. This also works fine, right? Why I just covered this problem, because we should know like how, like there should be one function exist, because just in case, let's suppose they said, if we don't have the second highest salary, you should return 999. Let's suppose as an hypothetical scenario, all right? Then you can mention, and if I go here, the second highest salary, instead of null we are getting 99999, right? Just in case, so we can use this function as well. So that's it. That's the end of the video, and you can also give a try. This is uh, if you know rank, dance rank, then the problem is easy. So before solving any SQL query, now any SQL query, don't start writing the SQL query. Like uh, trying to think first, like how you are going to manually solve that problem. So as an example, so select star from employee, right? So we know select star from employee, this one, and if we know, okay, second highest, third highest, so can we give some kind of rank? Okay, this is the first one, second one, third one. Okay, we can give rank. So we only run this query. So when we run this query, okay, we have some particular uh, table, right? So when we run this query, we have, so now as soon as we give ranking, the picture is clear in our mind of what should we have to do. All right, okay, we said, okay, we need to return the second highest. So second, this one we can do, okay, where ranking is 2. Now it will return two values. So we can use distinct. Okay, it will return three columns. We need to return just one column. All right. So we can divide our query in chunks, but writing a single query in a single go, it will be complicated, right? So we should always first think, and then like uh, start writing the query. So that's it. And that's the end of the video, and thank you.